Yo, what's up, everybody? This is Major coming at you with the new channel. You know what I'm saying? Major Throwback Sundays. But we're going to be doing stuff during the week too. We're going to come with a lot of different things. It's not going to all be one genre of this or that. And then we're going to work our way up to the Throwback Sundays. Once I get 1,000 subscribers on here, yo, I can go live and we can do Throwback Sundays, the music, movie, old school trivia that I was telling y'all about. So subscribe. Make sure you subscribe today. Don't delay. Subscribe today. Hook me up. Hit the subscribe, the like button. It helps. Look in the description box below. I'm going to have some links down there for you can shop off of our website or get some, solar-based equipment for your home, so on and so forth. We're going to be gardening tips. We're going to be talking about all kinds of stuff on this channel. So it's not going to just be one thing or another. But on today, we're going into the garden right here, and we're going to grab some stuff out of here and show y'all what we got cooking up out of the Major Gardener's garden today. All right, y'all, stay tuned. Don't watch this to the end. Watch the video to the end. Appreciate you. Hit the like, hit the subscribe button. Let's go. We're out here cutting some vegetables, and my wife's gonna stir fry those later on. So we're just showing you they're coming from the garden themselves.
These are seed rocks.
Awesome.
My seed rocks.
Let me shut the name for you. Wait.
There we go. Done.
All right, so guys, just to let you know, this is called Malabar spinach in English. In Vietnamese, they call it a different name. What's the name in Vietnamese? Mong Toi is in the Vietnamese name, but it's Malabar spinach. So what my wife did when she started growing all this, of course it wasn't this big. She bought this stuff from the store, from the Asian market, and it looked like this, right? After we ate the leaves, the first Malabar spinach leaves, she kept the stems. And then that's what you see, all this out here is from her planting just the stems. So then now the leaves start to grow. Okay, and that's the part we're gonna eat, of course. Right here, she's gonna show you how to stir fry that up. And then like this one right here, it'll look just like that one when she sticks it in the ground. So she takes the store stems and sticks it in the ground, and the next thing you know, it'll start growing leaves. And what it does next is it'll start growing these seeds. And all of these seeds, she'll come out and pick them and then plant them again somewhere, and they'll look like that one. They'll look like all these little ones right here coming up, and right here, and even right here. So that's what we do. Instead of just eating all of your stuff that you get, you got to be smart. You can't just get these seeds necessarily anywhere, but what she does to get a head start on the growing season is keeps the stems like this one from the store. We pick the leaves off, and then she puts the stems back in the ground, and we get a whole garden full of Malabar spinach now. So Malabar spinach, if you look it up on Google, it's high in vitamin C, high in antioxidants, vitamin A, actually 3% protein in these leaves right here. So you got protein, you got phosphorus, magnesium, all kinds of nutrients are in Malabar spinach. You can look it up yourself. And if you go to an Asian market, you'll see you see these leaves? You can go look at the plants that they have and match it up with what I'm showing you and get you some Malabar spinach already grown. And then regrow the stems, replant the stems yourself. So of course it's taking a little time, but a couple of months, right?
Yeah.
About 2 months. Couple of months worth of waiting to get from stems like this
Like
to this. Okay, like 1 month, she said. So you can see they like to curl up things. It's like a crawling, creeping vine, and as it grows, you put some sticks in the ground, it'll start creeping up like this, and then all the seeds will start coming out. New leaves will start popping out. All kind of stuff will start popping out, and then you will be able to come out and grab all of this food just from a couple of plants being regrown actually over a month's time. So we're just showing you some stuff so that you can kind of get a bird's eye view of how you can quickly grow some food, maintain it, as well as regrow it with the seeds that start popping out from it. So I think a lot of American vegetables, we weren't even programmed to regrow the stems or regrow parts of the vegetables we buy. A lot of that stuff you guys get from the store, you can actually put it back in the ground and grow something from it. So now we're gonna, more. We're gonna go cook the Malabar spinach. Are you gonna help, Mommy? Are you gonna help, or you sure?
Yes, it's walking.
Okay, but tell me something. Are you gonna help cook the spinach?
Yes, I'm growing some little seed rocks.
Some seed rocks. You just invented the seed rocks? We never heard of seed rocks
Whoa!
before.
I grow Easter egg seed rocks and a little plate seed rock.
Wow. What about Malabar spinach? Did you grow that?
Yeah, they're so little, they're coming up.
So are you gonna eat some of that today?
Yeah. You want to video my what? Come over here.
Oh, what are you gonna tell us about this?
I'm growing celery.
Celery.
And this is, I water it, and I water that one, and I water that one.
So show me the celery. Can you point to the celery so we can see which one? Oh, so where'd you get that, from the store?
Yeah.
And then you put the bottom of the celery back in the ground?
Yeah.
So now it's growing celery again?
Yeah.
That is amazing. Can you show me how much did that cost you when you bought that celery from the store?
4 because I'm 4 years old.
So it cost $4 because you're 4 years old. That's awesome. But now it looks like you're saving money because you took the celery and you're gonna grow it again, huh?
Yeah.
Wow, that's pretty cool. High five. High five.
Watercress.
Oh yeah, and the watercress. So
This.
I forgot to show you guys. That's peppermint.
Look, look at Froggy.
There's a little froggy out there. So this, guys, right here is watercress, which somebody told me I need to put a little sand around it because they like sandy conditions. So I'm gonna go get a little sand and try that. But this was watercress we got, organic. I don't know if it's organic or not, but watercress, we ate it and I kept the roots. I kept the bottom of it. So I just put it in the ground and now it's growing back some nice watercress leaves. This one's a little small, but this one's going really good. Enough to, when you do a salad, you can come out here and clip some nice watercress and get a whole different flavor in your salad. So just showing you guys some stuff you can do, which is pretty cool. We're gonna go cook this Malabar spinach now. Show you how to do it.
I grow this one, and then I'm getting ready to pick it until I water it, and it's growing red. And
So wait a second. What is that?
tomato.
Oh, okay. Can you show everybody how you pick the tomato?
Yes.
Okay, go ahead. Wow. You think it's ready to eat?
Yes.
Let's go try it. We're going to open it up. Hold it up so I can see it good. Wow. You grew that in your garden, huh?
Yeah.
Well, I don't know, Lulu. But, all I know is we need to get these tomatoes and the spinach in there and
I
cook
mean,
it.
really love for plants.
Okay. Well, let's go cook
Her
this
plant
stuff up.
her plant got rainbow because it's growing good. That's why it's her plant.
Hey guys, so this is my wife. She's gonna show you how to make this the Malabar spinach. So what she's using is some sesame oil, 100% sesame oil, and look like she got some cut up garlic and some, what is that, soy sauce or some type of organic soy sauce with maple syrup. So now she just covered that up.
So we can steam it.
Steam. It's gonna steam it and kind of steam that sesame seed oil into the leaves. Kind of make them, knocks them down so they're not as big. Now she's mixing the soy sauce with the garlic, the organic garlic, onto the leaves, onto the spinach. So now to add a little bit of more protein, she's using this vegetable protein. And what it does, it's like a meat substitute. It's hard, but once it cooks a little bit, it gets soft. It almost looks like ground up chicken, but it's actually just vegetable protein. Yeah, we don't cook it too long. Don't want to cook all the nutrients out. So she's just cooking it real fast, and then she's about to take it out, put it in a dish. So now she's gonna cook some tofu. She's using some olive oil and fry the tofu. I know a lot of y'all say like tofu is not good for you, soy. There's probably a lot of stuff that may be true about that. In Asia though, they eat tofu. If you do just enough, it'll be okay for you. What's mommy making? What's she making? What is that?
Cherries.
Cherries? Oh, you're eating cherries? Let's check these cherries out you're eating too. I see some watermelon over here. I see some nice cherries she's eating. And I see some nice peaches from Tennessee over here. So this is turmeric, soy sauce, and garlic. It's an organic soy sauce and turmeric powder she's putting over the tofu. Wow. I don't know about y'all, but this smells really good. This is dope. All right, everybody. So here's what everything looks like. There's the fresh tomatoes from the garden and some, I don't know, was it basil and what's that? Arugula from the garden. Got some kimchi, some corn on the cob. We got the spinach over here, all sauteed. This is that's the fried tofu. And today, instead of white rice, she made some black rice, but it's got organic oats in it. It's organic black rice with oats mixed in there, so it's a lot of nutrition in there. And then some papaya, crunchy papaya. She makes this almost like a crunchy kimchi, but it's sweet. It's papaya, fresh papaya. So that's what everything looks like after it's all said and done. You ready to eat, Amor? Yeah? So we're gonna sit down here and eat, y'all, and get back with y'all a little bit later. Peace.